bought these mirrors on Amazon, and they are MZS. So I actually thought they were a little bit larger, but unfortunately they're not. It comes with 2 mirrors and then the little adapter so we can fit it onto the bike. Yeah, I do plan on putting some new handlebars on the bike that's a little bit flatter, a little sportier. So here's the other one. Hey, where's the other stock? Oh yeah, it's attached. Yeah, it's kind of weird. All right, so we're gonna put these on the bike, and it comes with instructions, but I don't think we really need it. But that's nice that they included this. So let's go ahead and put this on the Honda Goldwing. You have another bag with various adapters. I'm just gonna those. So let's see if I can fit this in. So that's the right thread. I found the correct thread for this particular mount, and I'm just going to be putting it on here, and it should thread right in without any issue, I think. There we go. Yeah, I kind of wish I picked like a chrome one so it matches the bike a little bit better, but there we go. Just twist it. Actually, now I just twist it and it tightens the top one. And that's about the location I want. Then I'm going to have to tighten this part so it doesn't flop around. I got my correct adapter, and I'm going to thread this, I think, first onto my mirror. Just a little bit. I'm just going to tighten this top part and then back it out using a 14mm. So now that it's tight, just because I don't have the appropriate socket here, so now I'm just going to remove it from here and just tighten that. So that's going to tighten it. Yeah, there we go. Now that's perfect. So that's the mirrors from MZS. I believe they were like $30, $40. And I am a big proponent to using mirrors. I know there's a lot of people that like to ride mirrorless around, but I'm not one of those.